Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a fascinating topic that's of great interest to many aspiring entrepreneurs and creatives: print on demand. In this video, we'll be explaining the fundamentals of this business model and providing insights into how it operates, so stay tuned. To understand what print on demand is, let's start by defining the term. Print on demand, or POD for short, is a business model where products are only printed when an order is placed. Unlike traditional manufacturing processes where products are produced in large quantities, print on demand allows for the creation of individual items or small quantities. The process is simple yet effective. First, a designer creates a custom design, whether it's for t-shirts, mugs, or other products. This design is then uploaded to a print-on-demand platform. Customers can select, order, and pay for products with this design. Only after the order is placed, the product is printed and shipped directly to the customer. There are several advantages that make print on demand an attractive option. Firstly, there are no storage costs as large quantities don't need to be pre-produced. Secondly, it minimizes the risk for new entrepreneurs as no upfront investments in inventory are required. Additionally, it enables the realization of creative ideas with low financial commitment. Print on demand offers a wide range of products that can be customized. From t-shirts and hoodies to mugs, phone cases, and posters, the possibilities are diverse. This makes it ideal for creatives looking to showcase their designs in different ways. In conclusion, print on demand provides an innovative way to create and sell unique products without incurring high costs for storage and pre-production. In future videos, we'll delve even deeper into various aspects of this business model, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel to catch all our updates. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights into the world of print on demand.